How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be going over our K475 TIR. When you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cables. Then you'll notice a connector here, and that's to be used with our optional Supreme control boxes. And then you'll notice your main power harness here, and then you have your aux cable here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your Supreme control. Now when it comes to our Supreme control, we have our standard version and our handheld version. Now today I will be using our standard version, and then I'll hop back and show you some of the features of our handheld. You'll notice on your Supreme control that you have your slide switch here. So your first position will activate the back of your light bar, the second position will activate the front of your light bar, and the third position will activate your light bar in 360 mode, so you can easily access those three modes off of your slide switch here. And then you have your pattern changer, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns, you can find a pattern you'd like, and then this light bar has memory recall, so you can turn your light bar off and back on, and remember the last pattern it was on. And you can program a different pattern for each different mode. So if you switch back to your back mode and program a pattern here, and then program a pattern for your front mode, your light bar can remember up to 3 different flash patterns. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here. So if you hold your pattern button down for 3 seconds, your light bar will go to steady burn. And if you hold your pattern button down for 5 seconds, your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode, so you can easily access those 2 modes off of your flash pattern button. Now let's go over your takedown, alley, and cruise functions. So you have your takedown, alley, and cruise buttons here. Now when these buttons are activated, you'll notice those modules will go to steady burn, and these do function independently whether your light bar is flashing or not. And then when these buttons are deactivated, you'll notice those modules will go back to flashing with your light bar. Now we do offer a multicolor upgrade here for our takedowns and alleys, to where when these modules are flashing, they will flash the warning color of your light bar ordered, and then when you activate these functions, they will still go steady burn clear. Now let's go over your traffic advisor and aux function. So I went ahead and turned my light bar around here for you to show you the traffic advising feature. Now you'll notice the traffic advisor comes in standard amber on all of our full-size light bars. But again, we offer a multicolor upgrade here to where when these modules are flashing, they will flash in the warning color of your light bar ordered. And then when you activate your traffic advisor, they will go amber. And then you'll notice on your Supreme control here that you have your center out, you have your right left, and your left-right functions here, which you can all easily access on your Supreme control. And then finally, you have your aux button here, which you can hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your Supreme control box. And you'll use your aux cable harness to hook those lights up. Now let's go over your handheld Supreme. So you'll notice the main difference on your handheld Supreme is its more compact handheld design. And then you'll see that the slide switch is actually replaced with 3 buttons up here. So you have your back mode, your front mode, and your 360 mode. You have your pattern button, you have your takedown button, your alley button, you have your traffic advising features, and your cruise function here. And then finally, you have your aux button to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting. When it comes to the housing of this light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice underneath your light bar that you have extra drainage holes for even more moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included light bar feet here, and these are adjustable along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then you'll see our universal gutter mount brackets as an option. And then we also have our permanent stud mount brackets, which you'll use the existing hardware from your light bar feet to mount these brackets like so. And this light bar will use 8 of our permanent stud mount brackets. And then finally, you'll see our headache rack bracket as an option, which you can mount your light bar to, and then you can sandwich on your headache rack like so. So that covers all of the features of our K475 TIR. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below our product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.